Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Could this be the most affordable, best tent for motorcycle touring? Find out after the intro. So guys, if you've followed the channel for quite a while and maybe watched a couple of our weekends away camping on the bike, you'll have seen that me and Kay use the Eurohike 2 DLX. Now, there is nothing wrong with this tent at all, other than it is very low to the ground and it's a perfectly good tent. It's perfectly light. It only comes in at 3.7 kilograms, so it's the perfect weight to have on the bike for two-up touring. But when I was at the Wild Bad Weekender, we seen people using this specific tent that I'm about to show you, and both me and Kaylee thought that is a great idea. It's very, very similar to the Lone Rider's tent. You know, the one that you can, I think it's the adventure tent, where you can put the bike in the porch. But obviously Lone Rider tents are stupid amounts of money, talking £400 or £500 for a tent. Yes, they've got everything down to a T, they've got the weight down to the T, they've got the sizing down to a T. This tent that I've got today has cost me under £100. Yes, it's a little bit on the heavier side, but it's not too bad, especially if you're going touring on your own on a solo motorcycle. Two up, I will be doing another video on how to load the bike. If I've already done, the link will be up there. If I've not already done it, it will be on the channel very, very soon, because I have had a few questions of people asking how do I load the bike up for two up touring. So without further ado, we have got the Eurohike Sendero 4, Sendero, however you want to pronounce it. This tent is a 4-man tent. As you can see, in size comparison, yes, it is a slightly little bit bigger than the 2 DXL. Can't knock that tent at all, but let's get this tent up, let's get you showing round, and we'll have a look at it. Well, firstly, I wouldn't recommend putting the tent up on your own, and if you do, first, know what you're doing with it, and secondly, peg out the 4 corners first, as this will then help with erecting the tent, as I'm only ever used to erecting like a dome tent that's got a crossover in the middle. But guys, look at this. There is more than enough headroom little sleeping area for both me and Ken. We have internal pockets. We have windows. A good selling point for me was when we go on longer tours, is you've actually got an electric hookup hole, so you can still have mains if you choose so. Shut up! So yeah, if we decide to go on longer tours and we need an electric hookup, we have now got that possibility. But all of that tent for less than 100 quid. The porch is big enough to fit the bike in, and when we go to Lake Vyrnwy, I will try and prove that to you. But yeah, thought we'd just do a quick video on it. I know there's a couple of other riders who have got this tent as well. How waterproof it is, I don't know. But from my experience with people who have got lone rider tents, and there has been a few, mentioning no names, but I know of 2 people who said that their lone rider tent leaks. So, let me know what you think about it, guys. And like I said, for less than 100 quid, can't go wrong really, can we? But if you want to see how I get this on the bike when going 2 up, keep your eye on the channel, because a video will be getting uploaded very, very soon of how I do that. If you're going 1 up touring, it's perfectly fine just to whack the tent across the back seat, strap it down, you're good to go. And you've got way more room than what you'll ever need. Right guys, hope this one's been useful. I hope you enjoyed it. Especially you should have enjoyed it, watching me trying to put the tent up on my own. Not a good idea. Hope you had a laugh at that. But hope you enjoyed it. Hope you stay safe, and I hope to see you out there.